All right, so we've all been there. We have a widget, right? So we created this widget that we only want admin users to see, right? So what do? We create a bool, and we test if it's true. We'll give access to the admin user, right? So in here we'll say is admin, and then here we test this theory, and we test if it's true. We create a ternary, right? And if it's true, we'll show that. If it's false, we'll say text all users, right? And right now, so I could have my const there, and I could put my const here, my const here. There we go. And so now if I hot reload this, I got admin users because it's true. If I do false and I reload this, it should say all users. There we go. So again, if it's true and I hot reload that, admin users. But there is a better way to do this, right? So introducing, we're going to introduce the visibility widget, right? And so the child's going to be the text that we want for the admin user, right? And what we have to do here, not that, what we have to do here is we have to say, what are we basing on? What's our criteria? So visible, we're going to put in the is admin, right? So we're going to check for is admin. If it's true, it'll give us our child. If not, it'll give us our replacement. And our replacement is going to be all other users. Okay, let's fix this up a bit here. Perfect, I like that better, and let's put our const here and our const here. All right, so if I hot reload this now, it shows admin because it's true. If I change it to false and I hot reload that, it's all other users. There you go. So, and I think it's cleaner just to see it like this. Someone has said that, you know, it takes less memory and all that stuff like that. I don't know about all that. But it is cleaner, and it is just another option out there, and it is built in the system. So there you go. I hope you liked it. If you did, please follow, please subscribe, please comment, like. If there's anything you want me to build on, anything you want me to explain, please let me know, and I'll gladly make that video. If not, have a great day. See you soon.